Hey guys, do you want to make this sound?
Watch this!
Alright, so we're gonna make this sound using Serum, and we're gonna start grabbing a saw wave. Okay, I grab the saw wave from basic shapes and turn the wavetable up a bit. And then with Bend Plus, I bend it up until the middle, more or less, in order to make this S type of shape. Okay, so what we do is we grab an LFO and we put it in envelope mode at 1/32, and yeah, we put it on the level from 0 to 100%. Then we turn on the noise. We choose bright white under analog, and we're gonna put the same LFO on the level up until 40. Okay. Then, okay, so far it sounds like this. Not too amazing. Then we turn on the filter, and we're gonna turn on A and noise, both of them. This is how it sounds. Okay, that's more like it. Now, what we're gonna do is also turn on the filter key track. So the different keys that we play are gonna have a little different character to them. Now, we're gonna grab this shape. It's at 1/8 envelope as well. And we are gonna put it on the cutoff, resonance, and formant, going up a little bit, not too much, maybe like 10% or whatever. What we do is we put this at 41 Hertz, put this at 7%, put it at 28%. Now, we're gonna grab this shape at 1/8 as well, which is 1/8 because it's the longest note that we're playing with this sound. So this means that in the end of the sound, the formant is gonna go down. Okay. All right. What we're gonna do next is we're gonna use this module right here. Not many people use it, but what this graph means, that I set up like this, means that any note that plays higher than this is gonna be not modulated at all. And any note that plays lower than this is gonna modulate down the formant. So that's it. This you have to, depending on what notes you're playing, you might have to mess with this a little bit. But you can get away with not doing anything here. I just did it because I like it. What we're gonna do now is we're gonna turn on a low pass filter with this same shape. It's gonna go from 0 to 100. It's low 24, by the way. Everything is default, except the resonance. Sorry, the resonance is 15%. Then we turn a little bit of hyper, not too much. That's how it sounds so far. Then we turn on distortion. We're gonna grab 2 and put it at 90%. Then flanger and phaser, what we do with them is we turn the rate all the way down and we mess with them a bit. They are at about 55%, 60% mix. They don't change the sound that much, by the way. Then we're gonna put in reverb. Now this reverb on Serum, I don't like it too much because I don't know, I just don't like it. I put it here so when you download the preset, you have the full sound. But I advise you to take out the reverb from here and put it on FL Studio or Ableton or whatever you're using. Just anything besides Serum. Then we use a multiband compressor. It's pretty much default except for the multiband, and the gain is at 10 dB. And then we grab an EQ. We're gonna low cut at 350, 44% Q, zero gain. And then we do the bell shape at 2100 Hertz, 50%, and 5.5 dB. This is how it sounds. Okay, so what happens here is that I'm doing a little more than what you're seeing, and I do it with this couple of things. So what we do next is we go onto the matrix part of Serum. And because as far as I know, you can't visually modulate the master tune, I do it from the matrix. So LFO3, which is this one, is modulating the master tune on the single arrow at -7. Okay. Then LFO4, which is this, it's at trigger, so it's it's constantly doing this shape. It's at 1 on the master tune both ways. What this means is it's gonna have a little vibrato, okay, just a little bit. And then with LFO5, which is this, it's gonna be at +10 on the master tune single arrow. What this means is that at the start of the sound, it's gonna come from high pitch down. What this does is it's gonna give it more impact to the sound. And yeah, that's pretty much all. I hope you liked the sound. If you like it, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bells. And if you want to download it, it's down in the description below. See you guys.